window sill on. Gonna put this other one on the other side. Take this one out. Put the new one on. Man, my heat gun. I finally got more fluid off. Well, I really got it off. So now I gotta put the new one on. Ooh, man, that took forever. Alright, just put the last two little pins in. Got it. That's it. Motherfucker tighten the motherfucker now. I'm gonna have to adjust it a little bit. This it ain't going in there. It's supposed to go under that. I gotta adjust it a little bit. Yeah, still going inside. Really. I need like a little hammer. On my hammer head, I got stuff to everywhere. Use this one. See if that's enough or not. I think the window just off track a little bit in the inside. Yeah, I think the window just off track a little bit. Cause now it's in there. But yeah, it's definitely tightly fitted. Back to the original. And now I gotta tune the Terminator X. So I'm in the tuning table trying to tune it. Fucking run right and idle right. Where is this so far? Let it warm up some though. So I get the air through ratio where it needs to be. Trying to tune the transmission. This motherfucker here is hard than a motherfucker. For real, for real. Let's see what these settings do. Cause that motherfucker was in fourth gear at 30 miles an hour. Yeah. So now I just reset. But I ain't reset it, but I had just set it how I think it should be. Hopefully this work. Let's see. Finna take all this off. This Holly EFI shit. Take that off. Come back with the brand new LS harness and tuning. Damn, that alarm going off. Alright, I almost got it all the way out. Now I gotta come through the firewalls, through this hole that they had made. I don't know how the hell they cut that out or punch through that with, but I gotta take everything back through there or in here somehow. I'm gonna figure it out though. Threading the last of it through there. Finally got it out. Man, that was a task. Finally got it all the way out. Yeah. I don't know what this is going to. But not yet. I gotta follow it, see where it go. But pretty much got everything off. Finally. I don't know what this is going to either. Yeah, but I'm gonna trace it down. And put the new harness on. Get it together. I almost got it all the way on. I'm trying to really route everything how I want to route it. And then tuck it in. I'm about to take it out and see what it do.